Come here. Don't touch me, dog. Don't touch me. Hey, man, don't touch me.
We're fighting one.
Don't touch me, bro. Back your something about the light. Hey, man, don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Back your mother. Something about the light.
Get on the ground. Give us your hands. Michael, stop it. Let go of him. Got his arm.
45 seconds.
His hair. Stop it, Michael. Let go of him, Michael. Let go of me. Get off of me.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Give us your hand.
Get your hands.
Give us your hand.
Give her your hand.
Ew. He's bleeding. Yeah. I got his hand. Careful with the gun. Yep. Lyles, do you have the other hand?
Left hand.
I got it. I see him. Nope.
Nah.
Nope.
Get your leg back. Can't breathe. Can't breathe.
Then give us your hands.
Kick your leg back. Want to get his legs, Kingery? Yep. Tell which leg go.
His other
Leg. Get your leg. Give him your leg. That's my leg. I know it's your leg. Quick. Hey. I can't breathe. Stop. Not on your neck. Oh. Quit resisting.
After the struggle came to an end, deputies successfully took the suspect into custody without further incident. He was later booked into the Bay County Jail on several charges, including domestic battery, attempted aggravated battery, 3 counts of resisting an officer with violence, 1 count of resisting without violence, and obstruction by depriving a person of the means of protection. Incidents like this demonstrate how quickly domestic disturbance calls can become dangerous and unpredictable for responding officers. What are your thoughts on the deputy's response during this arrest? Let us know in the comments below.